Using Cash App without verifying your identity is possible but comes with limitations. To start, download and install the Cash App on your mobile device. Once installed, create an account by providing your email address or phone number and creating a password. You will be prompted to link a debit card to your account to start using Cash App. You can skip the verification process for now, but keep in mind that unverified accounts have transaction limits. Unverified accounts can send up to $250 per week and receive up to $1,000 per month. If you need to exceed these limits, you will need to verify your identity. To use Cash App without verifying your identity, you can still send and receive money, buy and sell Bitcoin, and invest in stocks. However, you will not be able to use the Cash App debit card or take advantage of other features that require verification. To receive money, provide the sender with your Cash App username or the email address or phone number associated with your account. To send money, enter the recipient's Cash App username, email address, or phone number, and the amount you want to send. It is essential to note that Cash App is required by law to verify the identity of its users for certain transactions. If you plan to use Cash App extensively, it is recommended to verify your identity to avoid any potential issues. In summary, using Cash App without verifying your identity is possible, but it comes with limitations. You can still send and receive money, but you will not be able to use all the features of the app. If you need to exceed the transaction limits or use the full features of Cash App, you will need to verify your identity.